Hey, this is just a small part of the complete YI4k Plus gimbal vlogging setup. If you're interested in how to build the complete setup, check out the link in the top right hand corner. But now let's check out the selfie light. After sunset, because of their small sensors, action cameras, as far as low light performance is concerned, aren't doing so well. So here's a little help in such situations. To set it up, we need a mini ball head like this one, with a base like that. Loosen this part, and then screw it in completely, because we need this part to not move at all. Then we need a small piece of 3M dual lock. This is the low profile black version. Then of course we need the light source, and this Picogen mini LED light with 3 brightness levels works perfectly because it has a flat surface, which is exactly what we need. Custom fit a piece of 3M dual lock to fit the back of the LED light. This is what we're going for. Then custom fit a piece of 3M dual lock to fit the bottom of the mini ball head. Now put the two pieces together, and now this is what we're going for here. Now screw the ball head into the 1/4" mount on the side of the gimbal. Then use the ball head mechanism to fixate the light in whatever position you need it to be in. And there you go. Using a micro USB to micro USB charging cable like this one, it's possible to charge the mini LED light via the gimbal while simultaneously charging the 4K Plus via the gimbal. Once again, this is just a small part of the whole video. If you're interested in how to build the complete setup, check out the video in the top right hand corner. So if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. As always, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.